What do you do if you've lost your receipt? Can you still claim an item on your tax return with just a credit card or bank statement? Let's break down what the ATO says. So firstly, on their legal database, they do state that taxpayers can recreate their tax records using their bank and credit card statement along with supporting documentation. But what does this even mean? So firstly, when it comes to proof of purchase, basically the reason they ask for a receipt is they need to see 4 items as proof of purchase. They need to see the date you purchased the item, what you actually purchased, who you purchased it from, and the amount that you paid. Now, a bank and credit card statement can give you 3 of those, but it won't give you the details of what you've actually paid for. So that's what you need to actually supply. Now, on their website, they do give a couple of great examples that you can use in real life in your situation. So firstly, as always, you would reach out to the supplier first and see if they can actually supply this to you. If they can't, you're going to have to use this method. Another thing to remember is you don't just need physical receipts. If you've got a photo of a receipt or an electronic copy, that is absolutely acceptable as proof of purchase. So you've got your bank statement. What this lawyer did was they had their annual subscription that they paid for, their annual membership fee. They had the bill that they received from that supplier stating how much it's due. They don't have a receipt showing that it's been paid though. So they get their bank statement, they print that out, and they actually write on the bank statement what it was for. So on the bank statement, it will show the amount that they've paid, who they've paid it to, and the date. And that unpaid bill is then their further proof. And they just need to make a note on that bank statement that matches the 2 up together. Now, the second example that they gave was of a clerical worker. They've just started this job. They've gone out and bought some earrings from a jewelry store, and on the same day, same place, they bought a pen. They didn't keep the receipt. They didn't think it was claimable. They went to get their tax done and was told, yes, you can actually claim that pen. They contacted the supplier. They couldn't get the receipt. So they've used the bank statement as part way of the proof. So it showed the date, the amount, and who it was to, but it doesn't show any proof of what it was for. Luckily, they actually had the box that the pen came in, and it still had the price tag on it. They were able to use a photo of that and just make a note of what they actually purchased on the day. $100 for earrings, $50 for the pen. This substantiated their claim. So in the real world, if you have some kind of box where the item came in with the price, you've also got even a snapshot of the website that you've actually purchased it from, or even a tag like a clothing tag or a shoe tag that can help you substantiate your claim with a bank or credit card statement. Follow us for more.